Hey folks, how's it going? Welcome back to Eurofever Detailing. Today with me I have a exterior wash on this 2014 Lexus LS460. If you watch Eurofever Garage where I post reviews, you'll be seeing this car pretty shortly. This is one of my friend's vehicles and I've been a huge fan of it for some time. I'm a big body luxury sedan type of guy, and Lexus has a very special place in my heart, so getting to wash this, review this, do the full works, very excited. So going back to what we're cleaning today though, just exterior, so that's going to be all these bird stains, get all of this brake dust and hopefully the wheels cleaned, get into the carpeted wheel wells as well, something that really collects a lot of dirt and debris over time is carpeted wheel wells. Fortunately, the fronts look like plastic. On top of that, you can see there are a lot of bird guts and bug guts as well. Sorry, bird poop and bug guts, but in any case, very acidic. So I've already let my friend know that they'll probably be etched in. So hopefully we don't have to deal with too much paint correction later on. But other than that, excited to get into it. So with that, let's start with the wheels. So now with one wheel done, 3 to go. All right, now with the wheels clean, we're moving to the paint and we're going to start with a spot treatment of all of the bird poop and bug guts. We're using Kosh Chemi's T Vasha A. This is undiluted, so this is just straight. Just gonna spray it completely dry and we're going to let it sit and then spray over it with our pre-rinse. You can see it's already working its magic. Now with the car spot treated, we're going to move to our pre-wash, which is going to be Road Warrior by Superior Products. Going to apply it over the T Vasha and then we will rinse it down and do our contact wash. Now that our pre-wash is applied, we're going to let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes, rinse off, and then we will move to our foam wash. Okay, pre-wash done. Let's re-foam it up and do our contact wash. Alright, so very briefly you might be wondering, why is there not a lot of foam on the car? And this is actually Kosh Chemi's auto shampoo, which is not a super foaming soap. Plus, I'm on a different power washer in the meantime. This is just to add lubricity as we are contacting the car, making sure that there is very little abrasion. Because we pretty much washed off all of the dirt and grime, this is just agitating kind of what's left. So I thought I'd point that out, why this one isn't as snowy as you see on a lot of Instagram posts. So with that, let's get into the contact wash. Now that the car has had its contact wash, we're going to rinse it off and then apply our paint sealant. Okay, now that the car is rinsed, there's a couple spots that I want to go over, mainly right here. There's a little bit of paint marker. There was one down in the corner where as I was washing some of these jams, a lot of stuff is coming out, so we have to go through those again as well. And then lastly, we have the door jams, and then we'll apply the paint sealant. Door jams aren't even that bad, so I'll probably just go in with some all-purpose. We don't need to do anything crazy. Okay, lastly is our sealant and our drying aid. This is Formula 4 spray wax from Superior Products. Okay, time to rinse off the Formula 4. All right, last but not least, tire shine. This is Adam's vinyl rubber and tire trim. All right, and here is our fully detailed Lexus LS460. She is a highway bruiser, so unfortunately the rock chips just show the love and care she gets on the road. Other than that, the wheels came out fantastic. The owner was super happy about them. I think the chrome actually looked really good on this car. Here is our full exterior done, tire dressing, door jambs, exterior paint sealant. The bug guts and bird poop are completely gone. You can see a touch of etching over here, but again, I spoke to the owner about that. He knew this going in. And there was a big one right up here. You can see the etching is a little bit rough, but not bad. So yeah, if you want to get your car detailed by what looks to be Toyota Fever detailing at this point, be sure to check out our booking link down below or our email. You can reach out to me directly. Again, I'm your host Donovan of Eurofever Detailing. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a great day. Bye.